All of us need to have friends, people who care about us and make us smile. Whether you're feeling lonely, starting a new school, or just open to exploring new friendships, here are some tips for making new friends. Take initiative. If you find people around you, you don't need to wait for anyone to reach out to you and take the first step. Instead, become a kind initiator. Start talking to a person and share something about yourself. Likewise, let them share about themselves. Join a club or organization. Joining a club, youth group, or online forum or getting involved in an activity you enjoy is a great way of meeting new people and making friends. It's also a boost to your confidence to do something you love. Sign up for social media. Social media can be a great way to connect with people from all over the world. Many social media sites offer groups where users can connect and make new friends. Attend events. Events can be a great way to meet new people and make new friends. Many cities have festivals and events specifically designed for meeting new people. Show that you're friendly. A person that has friends must show themselves to be friendly. Make sure that you are exemplifying those. Help other people. Volunteering in your local community can be a great way to meet other people. Be a good listener. Introduce yourself to new people, ask questions about them, listen to their answers, and look for common ground. If you're listening well, others will feel respected, understood, and warm toward you. Create friendships with friends of friends, make new friends from friends of friends. Many also consider it convenient and safe because they probably share a lot of the characteristics of your shared friend. Stay in touch. Once you have interacted with a person and exchanged contact numbers, don't forget to call or message them, call them and ask for the next meetup. It is a great deal to develop a strong friendship. Smile. Smiling while keeping eye contact with someone will create a positive effect on the other person. Talking with a warm smile and consistent eye contact makes the other person feel comfortable and interested in the conversation. Be curious. People enjoy talking about themselves. Dr. Bauer asks them questions about themselves and sees where the conversation leads. Volunteer. Become a volunteer at your favorite museum or gallery. Volunteer at your local nature center. There will be other adults there you can be friends with. Laugh. Laughter is one of the best connectors. Find ways to laugh with new people to create a powerful bond. Practice empathy. Empathy is perhaps the most important relational skill and fosters connection and rapport building and is the foundation of friendship. This is the level of empathy that can foster deeper friendships. Be enthusiastic. People are naturally attracted to others who radiate warmth, enthusiasm, and excitement. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.